Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this short video, I'm going to show you the Husky build out 4-in-1 toolbox set. And from the front, you can see there are 4 compartments and they can be taken apart by pulling up on this lever. That's how they become apart. So if I pull here and on the other side as well, here. Now I can use the handle to take this off. And now we have the smaller box here, and I could do the same. And this one has the handle in front. And this one is open. And lastly, this one I can take off as well. So here they are. That's the bottom part. Then next one, that one goes in the middle and that one on top. And this is a really good way of keeping everything organized. The smaller things go over there, medium and larger over here. The one thing I like about this toolbox is the wheels. And here they are. I can move this around and it doesn't need any air, it's rubber. And up here I can take this off so I don't need to have the handle on there. And of course I do like the handle, so I'm gonna put this back. And I can raise the handle up here by pressing these two to unlock. And then with the other hand, I'm gonna go ahead and raise this. And this is as far as it goes. And it goes pretty far. It's about 3 feet off the ground. So I can go ahead and pull this, take it with me. As for the bottom one, let me show you how big this is. There's plenty of space in there. And this stays open, so that's good, so you don't have to try to keep it open one way or the other with one hand and then trying to get something else with the other hand. It stays there. So you can go ahead and close this. And now that it's closed, I can go ahead and put the other part there, and all I have to do is push it down. That's one side, that's the other. And there's plenty of space in here too. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put this other one on top of this one. And you could also put these standing up sideways. It also has legs so you can lay it down. And this one has the handle here. You could put this away. There's more storage for smaller things. Finally, you could put this other one on top. And this one you have more storage in here. And you have a tray that you can take off. And you can put the tray on one side perhaps, the other, or in the middle. So easy to take off tray for anything that you need right here. So it all depends on your profession, or if you are like myself doing things around the house. It's a really nice toolbox to keep everything organized and in one place. I do have a toolbox in the garage, but sometimes when I need the stuff, either to fix my car or to fix something around the house. And I do have another toolbox from Husky, but this one is pretty tough. On this one I can put things that I don't want to break and I want to keep them organized in this box. And let's say you want to put something on the side. Here are these hooks that are easy to put on there. Here's the hook. Put it on top and then it clicks and there it is. And I have a set of 2, so I can put either 2 on one side, perhaps 1 on each side. And then perhaps I can either hang something that I'm using, perhaps clothes, I don't know, it's really up to you. And they are easy to take off. All you have to do is pull from here and they come off. And perhaps you wanna put them away in your box. Another awesome feature that the toolbox has is that you can put a lock on each one of the 4 boxes and lock away your tools. And you could also take it off as easy. So I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.